Hi, and welcome back to another great guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change Android menu style. Changing the menu style is easy and can be done through the Settings app. And here are the easy steps to change the menu style on Android. Works on most Android phones, and steps might vary by brand. First, unlock your Android phone, open the Settings app, then go to Display and Brightness, scroll down and tap Home Screen. Scroll down to look for home screen layout or menu style. Tap Home Screen Layout or Home Screen Mode. Choose Drawer or Standard Home Screen only, or choose the Classic Mode or AZ Mode. Tap Apply or Done if option appears. Return to the home screen, then swipe up to check the new menu style. Now return to the home screen and long press the home screen for more layout options. Then restart the phone if the change doesn't apply immediately. Tips, App Drawer, Apps stored in a swipe up menu. Home screen only. All apps shown directly on the home screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.